For our next experiment, you will need a bottle of water. The bottle should be filled full. So a full bottle of water, a ketchup packet and a full bottle of water. So shall we begin? Now I am going to put this packet of sauce into the bottle. So I am putting it inside the bottle and I am now covering it. Now when we put the packet inside, we expected it to go right to the bottom because it has solid content in it, right? But what happened? It stays on top. You can see even when I flip the bottle over, so even now it stands on top. Now I'll flip it once again. See, it moves back to the top. So why does this happen? This is because in all our ketchup packets there is a tiny molecule of air. So there is some air in it when packing. So this air is less dense compared to water. So we know that more density means more weight and less density means it is lighter. So the air is lighter than the water, thus it stays on top. So even if I flip the bottle, the air content in it pushes the packet of sauce to the top. So what did we learn from this experiment? We learned about the difference in density of air and water, and the packet stays on top because of the air bubble trapped inside.